tuna hian berampu te beram venna the seaford place kan kal don ani berampu te ram truan na hmunah tuna hian kan lut mek a kong sira hian tourist ho ta
سوي له بشرى
engemaw hil hian lo zuar deuh treuh mai zela heng te pawh hi an han zuara amara chu heng te hi lei vek sen le en vek sen ani lo ani tuna hian hotel a kan choi hnuah kan han kal le na ani a tuna hian hei kan tour guide John ania this our tour guide John. So John,
Yes.
I think it is a little bit dark.
Yeah, I'm dark. That's right.
This side, let's go like this, no problem.
Okay.
So now we are going the
Shepherd's Field.
field, where the
Good news or
Oh.
the way to the shepherds got to know.
yes.
They go to the cave where the shepherd
Yes.
were sleeping.
Yes.
And vision like angel appeared to them and saying that there is a Messiah born.
Yes.
From here we go to Bethlehem. We are in Beth Sahur. Here
Yes.
Shepherd's Field is located. From here when they got the angel appeared and said the good news, they went to Bethlehem to see the birthplace of Jesus Christ.
Okay, tuna hian beramputen beraman ven a mitin tang chan chin tha karon thlena cheu anti na mun angel ho tena van sai pol la pui rema an zai na mun berampu teram truan na hun kan thleng me ka hei tuna hian hei kan kal me ka kan thian te pawh khu lama khon khu an rong kala a then helaba hian hei kan hanin ko ma he tiang ang kan han to ren reng hian briefing hi kan tour guide ten an nei thina tuna pawh hian tour guide ten briefing min pe mek ani tuna hian briefing ngai thaturin kan meka hei kan ding meka
So we are in Beth Sahur, a village nearby Bethlehem. Bethlehem is in this way, just nearby, too close. And we know that when Jesus was born, the angels meet the shepherds. The shepherd was not in the village. They were nearby. They usually stay in the cave. In this area, we have an open cave.
heng lai mun hi mun poi mo tak mai mun bible a pawh ka hriat berampu te beram venna rin mun kha ani a hei kan ding kwal deuh thap to mai a hian kan tour guide tin a mun ma chung chang te min han hrila kan hai tha thap mai a ke ro chuan kalo ngai thak nual to wangin hei ta hian kan kal rang deuh to a in pon ni sela berampu te chen na mun in lut vele phot mai ham